Alright, our project is using the Fanuc robot to take the boxes from the hopper and then putting them on this carriage unit, which then secures it and puts the entire system underneath the packaging peanut hopper.
Which is activated by the can system you can see here.
At that point, the the box then returns to its original starting point, and an arbitrary part has been put into the box. At that point, the entire carriage unit will then move back underneath the hopper unit for the packaging material, and again back. At this time, the robot is going to be placing the lid onto the carriage and proceeding to use the QuikDrive unit to screw the lid on. The assumptions made in this project are that I will be acting as a secondary operating system, and hard automation will be responsible for placing the parts into the box. We are unable to incorporate these two in a professional manner to the robot due to programming issues and electrical pin issues.
Well, the reason he's acting as a secondary unit is because we have a 12-pin connector on the side of the robot up here. We could not activate it, even consulting the Fanuc website and their help program. For some reason the program would just not run. That was one of the issues that we had using this Fanuc model. We had some serious programming issues. It did not work for the first half of our project, and then we had some operator error. We wrote an entire script. It was erased due to background noise with the programming unit, so we had to redo our entire system. There's still a few little issues that we're trying to work out, but given the time constraints of such a large project, given what we had, I think we did pretty well. Once again, since we didn't get the 12-pin connector to work on the top of the robot, we have a 24-volt DC source here. We also have relay systems that activate a 110 power source, so we're using two different electrical power sources to run. We have our 3 valves up here, which are operating a three-way system, also 24 valves, 24 volts.
It's all just going to be activated by this control pad, which for this short time span we had to actually operate it is more than satisfactory for.
We're going to go ahead and run through a couple of cycles. It is repeatable, and it does index the lid using gravity feeders, and indexes it using a linear reoccurrence analog. So.
And of course, special thanks to Bill Georges at QuikDrive, along with David Bradley at Bradley's Metalworks. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to get the QuikDrive unit. And without Bradley's Metalworks, we definitely wouldn't be able to have these linear actuators and BIM cylinders. Thank you very much.
There we go.